Hi, let us solve this linear equation. In this equation, we need to find out the value of x, right? In this equation, we have 5 within the bracket 2x minus 3 minus 4 within the bracket x plus 7, and this is equal to 3 multiplied by in the bracket 4x minus 1 plus 2. We need to find out the value of x. Okay, let us see how we do it. So 5 multiplied by in the bracket 2x minus 3, this means that we are multiplying 5 with 2x as well as 3. Okay, so here let me write in a bracket itself. When 5 is multiplied by 2, this becomes 10 and we have x minus sign. When 5 is multiplied by 3, we have 15, bracket close, then we have minus sign. Here again in the bracket, when 4 is multiplied by x, that is 4x, plus 4 is multiplied by 7, that is 28, and this is equal to when 3 multiplied by 4, we have 12, x minus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and at last we have plus 2. Okay, because there is nothing in front of bracket, we have a plus sign, right? Before 10 there is nothing, which means there is a plus sign. When plus is multiplied by this plus 10x, this becomes plus 10x. Okay, when plus is multiplied by minus, this becomes minus and 15. Here we have minus sign, and here before 4 there is nothing, that says there is plus. Okay, so when minus is multiplied by plus, this becomes minus, and 4x we will write as it is. Again, when minus is multiplied by plus, then there is a minus sign and 28. This is equal to 12x minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Okay, so let me write it down what I did. When plus is multiplied by plus, then the result is a plus, right? When plus is multiplied by minus, then result is a minus. When minus is multiplied by plus, then the result is minus. And when minus is multiplied by minus, then the result is plus. Okay, so for the first bracket, plus is multiplied by plus, then the result is plus. Then plus is multiplied by minus, this is the case, then the result is a minus. Again, here minus is multiplied by plus, minus multiplied by plus, we have a minus sign which I have written here. And again minus is multiplied by plus, then we have a minus sign, right? This is what I have written. Okay, so let us solve it. We will solve 10x minus 4x together, because both these terms have x in common, right? You can see here. So 10x minus 4x is nothing but 6x, right? And here minus 15 and minus 28 minus 43, right? Because both these terms have minus sign, I have written a minus sign, and we simply added 15 and 28, that is minus 43. This is going to be equal to 12x minus 1. Now we have to bring all the similar terms together. Here 6x and 12x have similar term, and minus 43 and minus 1 are similar, right? So what shall we do? Let us remove 6x from the left hand side. 6x minus 43 is equal to 12x minus 1. To remove 6x, because there is nothing in front of 6, which means there is a plus sign. So plus 6x, I have to remove plus 6, so I have to subtract 6x. And because I have subtracted 6x in the left hand side, so I have to subtract 6x from right hand side as well, because we have an equal to sign in between, right? This means that whatever we add or subtract on the left hand side, we need to perform the same on the right hand side as well. Otherwise, this equation will not be equal. Okay, so this minus 6x and this plus 6x will cancel each other, and on the left hand side we will have only minus 43. This is equal to 12x minus 6x is 6x, and here we have minus 1, right? I will solve it in the next slide. So far we have seen that minus 43 is equal to 6x minus 1. Okay, now from the right hand side I want to remove minus 1. What shall we do? We have to add 1 both the sides. minus 1 plus 1. I've added 1 on the right hand side, and here on the left hand side we have minus 43 plus 1, right? So this minus 1, this plus 1 will cancel each other, and we have only 6x on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have minus 43 plus 1, that is minus 42. Okay, now I have to find out the value of x. So what we shall do, let me reverse it. So minus 42 is equal to 6x. We can write it as 6x equal to minus 42. It does not change anything. We only wrote 6x on the left and minus 42 on the right. Now I have to remove 6 from the left hand side. So I will divide by 6 both the sides. So this 6 and this 6 will cancel each other, and now we have x equal to minus 42 upon 6. Okay, so minus 42 can be written as minus 7 multiplied by 6, and at the bottom we have 6. Let me put it minus 7 in the bracket. So this 6 and this 6 will cancel each other, and what we have is only minus 7, right? So we found that value of x is minus 7. Okay, so this is the answer. So let us see what we have done. We solved this bracket function first, then we solved this bracket, again we solved this bracket, and then we have plus 2, right? So we came to know that 6x is equal to minus 42, and then we found out that the value of x is minus 7, and this is the answer. Okay, hope you understood this concept. Hope you understood how to find out the value of x in a linear equation. In my next video I will bring more such examples, maybe bit complicated examples as well. Okay, thank you for watching.